What does world-class collision repair look like? It looks like Lighthouse Collision Center in Morton. The same assembly line process that built your car is also the best way to efficiently and accurately repair any type of collision damage. From minor door dings to hail damage to major repairs, you'll get your vehicle back sooner with the confidence that all the damage has been meticulously repaired by our iCar Gold Class technicians. Here's the 7-step process that transforms your damaged vehicle back into the vehicle you love. Step 1. Repair planning. Every collision repair begins with planning out the entire repair. Not all damage can be seen from the outside of your vehicle. A technician will carefully disassemble your vehicle, document any unaccounted damage, and create an estimate. We work with all major insurance companies. If we find additional repairs, we'll work with your insurance so you don't have to. Once full extent of the damage is known, we'll start the repair. Step 2. Mirror matching. Replacement parts arrive, and our tech matches each part to the original damaged part. By inspecting each new part side by side with the damaged part, we ensure that it's the correct part in all aspects of appearance, options, and finish. This helps eliminate delays in assembly and guarantees a factory finish to your repair. Step 3. Body repair. Whether it's as small as a door ding from the parking lot or a major collision with another vehicle, our techs use OEM repair procedures with cutting-edge equipment to ensure the safest and best quality repair. Once body repair is complete, it's time to start the painting process. Step 4. Paint repair. Your vehicle's finish is typically the first thing you notice, and we make sure every vehicle looks like new. This takes time as our team carefully preps your vehicle for painting before it heads into the paint booth. In the booth, paint technicians use computer software to match colors and use environmentally friendly water-based paint to ensure the repaired area blends seamlessly with the rest of the paint on the vehicle. Step 5. Buff and polish. Our buff and polish team carefully removes any final imperfections for that factory finish. Step 6. Reassembly. When it's time to reassemble, our technicians use care and precision to ensure all panel gaps are consistent. We make sure everything fits and functions together as it should. Step 7. Detail. Your vehicle is now ready for the road, but to go the extra mile, every vehicle is washed and cleaned before it's returned to you. You'll drive home knowing your repair was done accurately and efficiently by Lighthouse Collision Center in Morton.